Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope that you all like glitter because that's what I have going on today. A lot of glitter on the eyes. So let's go ahead and just get started. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes. I'm using the Anastasia eye primer. I'm just blending that out with a brush. And the palette that we'll be using today is going to be the Morphe Boss Mood palette. And I'm taking the black shade and then using these two greens here, and that's it. First taking the black shade and I'm going to pack it on the lid with a small brush, and I'm going to go up into the crease with that as well. And then I'm going to start packing on the greens. I'm just mixing them two together. I'm not going in with like one or other. I'm just mixing them both. To blend out the edge of that black liner, the black shadow, duh. So the black, I wanted it to be more black than what it looked. I think I should have gone in with a base, but to be honest with you, right now I don't have a really good black base for eyeshadow, so I didn't use one. But I feel like it came off more as green than anything. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like it could have been more black. So if you're recreating this look, I would definitely say to add a black base for the shadow first instead of just going in with black shadow. And I'm just going back and forth and blending out those shades and smoking it out. For the glitter, I'm going to take this one from JCat, or these two from JCat, and this one from Anastasia, and I'm just mixing them together, and I'm using the glitter adhesive from Anastasia too, and I'm just packing them on the lid. I just put it on a little pan, and then I mix them together with the liquid, and then I just pack it on the lid. It's pretty much all I do. That's why I like this adhesive, because I feel like I don't have to put the adhesive on and then the glitter. I can mix them together and it works fine. Now I'm taking eyeliner from Urban Decay Perversion, and I'm just tightlining my upper lash line. And I'm also adding some NYX Epic Ink liner. And then also tightlining my lower lash line too. And then I'm gonna start smoking out the lower lash line. I'm just taking the same exact shadows that we used for the top lid, of course, and I'm just smoking that out too. And then I decided to go ahead and add the glitter that I had left on my little plate to the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight the inner corner and brow bone. And I'm using this one from KVD Beauty, their Crushed Metals highlight. I love these so much. I found this one and another one at TJ Maxx. And I'm not really sure if this is the only shade that they have, but I'm kind of hoping that they have more, because I would like to get my hands on any of the other shades they have, because I really like these. And then once that's done, I'm just lining my lips with Fringe from Pacifica. This look was super fast. I don't remember it being this short of a video, but you know, whatever. So I'm just gonna be lining my lips with that liner. If you guys have any suggestions on holiday looks, please let me know. And then after the lips are done, or well, the while my lip was, or okay, so anyway, I did my lips while this lash glue was drying, so now I'm just adding the lashes. I believe these are from Thrifty Lashes in the style Chardonnay. And then while the other lash is drying, I am now filling in my lips. Sorry, I got like a little bit of a brain fart. I have forgot what I did there. This is Lime Crime in the shade Chestnut. They're liquid velveteen. And I'm just rubbing that into the lips. And then right over that, I kind of wanted more of a pouty look, so I did go ahead and put a lighter shade. This one is Milani Amore Matte Cream Lipstick, and I'm just putting that in the center to lighten it up a little bit. And then I was hesitant in doing this, but I did it anyway. I got some of the highlighter on my finger, and I started patting that onto the center of my lip. And I really like it. I really like the way it came out. I feel like this look was so simple to do. It's so easy too. I feel like it's really good for a New Year's look, even though we are in the middle of pandemic, but you know, you can celebrate on your couch. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!